take admission in IIT JEE, there is a three examination qualification. You have to pass the 12th with 75%, and second one you have to pass the exam of JEE mains. Then you have to qualify the JEE advanced exams. There is a complex process of taking admission in IIT. But if IIT can directly take the examination of JEE advanced, those students want to qualify the exam, they can qualify the exam. What is the process in the midst of the JEE? What is JEE mains do in the midst of that exam? If someone wants to qualify the exam of NIT,
exam is a process where we can attend, and this is a paper of test where we can know that this is a reading skills, for speaking skills, and for the practical skills. And we know that this is the old traditional system, because our country is just toward the development, and we need to learn the skills, because we all know that this is a remembering power which we saw in the recent year, that the students just remember the words without knowing the exact meaning and without implemented in the practical, and just they do the examination. And what's about those students who are just less in number? They are discriminated by the society, and there is a mental stress, because before the examination they can feel stress, they feel headache and mental issues, and they are also involved in assignments and practicals, and there's a time distraction for the student. And after the some circumstances, we all know that somehow we are not appear in the single paper due to the health issue. We are just disqualified. Why my number is not countable on my before examination and the half yearly examination? Because our time is priceless, and we all know that the time is priceless, because many of the drawbacks are happens.
In my point of view, exams should be not be abused in our country, because most of the students preparing for the examination, and they show their power in the examination. When exams should be abused, then they don't have any opportunities to show their educational power to front of all other people, because our parents support us to give the examination. And I have a big example. When the most of the students appearing in 12th, then they have opportunity to get the take the examination of NDA, because in the NDA examination conduct UPSC, and UPSC gives us a golden opportunity to, if you are appearing in 12th, then you also attend the examination of NDA. And in the age of 16, half of 16 and half of 19, we have more and more opportunity to attend more and more examination of NDA. In this, if you attend the examination of NDA and you clear the examination of NDA, then you have also opportunity to be the part of Army, Navy, and also